Hi everyone, I am Akash Umakan Biradar. In the learning process of Java, in today's topic, we will learn about abstraction and encapsulation. Abstraction and encapsulation are the concept of OOPS. OOPS is Object-Oriented Programming System. It is a methodology which consists of several concepts like class, object, abstraction, polymorphism, interface, or etc. And Java is object-oriented programming language. Now, abstraction. Abstraction means hide unnecessary data. It means the implementation of details or the methodological work of coding should not be displayed to the user. The only functionality work should be displayed to the user. It means user only user can see only the details which is useful for user. The implementation details or the development details of program can user cannot see. uh, this concept is called abstraction concept. Now, why this abstraction concept is introduced? Because in several real-time example like ATM, messaging, or etc., there is no need of these implementation details. Like in ATM machine, it shows only what to do. It means if you want to debit debit cash, or if you want to withdraw cash, or if you want to deposit the cash, or if you want to show the balance in the, only three things are necessary in this ATM. But how to deposit or how to withdraw, the methodological work or implementation work or coding work internally is not necessary, or there is no need to show the user of all these things. That's why abstraction is introduced in Java or in any programming language. Now, there are two types of abstraction. The abstraction can be achieved by two types. One is by abstract class and second one is by interface. By abstract class, we can achieve abstraction 0 to 100%, and by interface, we can achieve abstraction 100%. Now we will go through one by one. Abstract class. First one, abstract class is a class which is declared abstract. It means before a class, abstract keyword is used. Abstract class consists of non-abstract methods and non-abstract methods. There may be possibilities of containing or not containing non-abstract methods, but it should have at least one abstract method. Only then that the class is abstract class. Now, what is mean by abstract method? Abstract method means the method which does not have any body, the method which is not defined, the method is only declared. For example, void, display, round brace, and then semicolon. It is only displayed. The method is declared and then terminated. The definition or the block isn't there. And if there is block, then there will be definition, some of definition. But here the block isn't there. The void, display, round brace, and then semicolon. After the declared method is terminated, this is called declared method, and the declared method is known as abstract method. A non-abstract method means the method which is defined. There will be body of that method, there will be some definitions in that method. Then this is defined non-abstract method. Abstract class consists of both methods, abstract method and non-abstract method. Because of non-abstract methods in the abstract class, we can achieve abstraction up to 100%, because there are some defined methods. So that is not 100% pure abstraction, that is up to 100%. Now interface is blueprint of class. It is same as class. Interface contains only abstract methods. Interface does not contain non-abstract methods, like the methods which have definition should not be there. uh, this is interface, but because of only abstract method present in that interface, there is 100% abstraction achievement. Now by class we cannot, or by abstract class, by class, but we cannot achieve multi-level inheritance in Java, but by interface we can achieve multi-level inheritance in Java. Now encapsulation. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is the wrapping of code, wrapping of data member, wrapping of functionality, wrapping of uh, data member code or anything in Java. For example, it's like capsule. The capsule is wrapped or coated. Capsule is coated by sugar or gelatin or anything, but the main content is inside that capsule. The main medicine, the main content of medicine which will affect or which will use to recover your whatever will the disease is inside that coating. That is encapsulation. That is real time example of capsulation. Encapsulation means the data or your code is wrapped by another, or is wrapped, simply it is wrapped, it is called encapsulation.